I think it's beautiful. You see, it's not moving. It's yogurt now. You see, you can see it. It's nice and creamy yogurt. Can you see it? Okay, it's ready. Ready, my friend. Look, it's ready to eat. You can put sugar and you can put banana in there, make a yogurt shake. Not really mango shake, like a milkshake. This is a yogurt. I think it's beautiful. You see, it's not moving. It's yogurt now. You see, you can see it. It's nice and creamy yogurt. Can you see it? Okay, it's ready. Ready, my friend. Look, it's ready to eat. You can put sugar and you can put banana in there, make a yogurt shake. Not really mango shake, like a milkshake. This is a yogurt. Hello, friends. Good morning, Sat Sri Akal. I'm gonna show you how to make the yogurt from the milk, cow milk or the buffalo milk. Has to be pure milk. First, you need to do get a pot and put the milk, regular milk, and you have to boil it and let it boil for half a minute or 1 minute, so all the little water in there goes away. Then I will show you. You need a one pot like this, like this. Make it from the clay, we call it kuji, and then you need a little bit of yogurt, fresh yogurt, and that's all you need it. See, it's ready to boil now. Okay, it's gonna come up. Okay, just cut down the fire and let one more time comes up. Okay, that's it. And then now you let it little cool down. Let little cool down for 5 minutes, so it will be like warm. You can put the finger in there and see if it's not very hot. Don't put it hot in the hot finger. It has to be a warm. Let it wait for 5 minutes to 7 minutes. So let wait it. Then I'm gonna come back. Okay. So then you add it this little yogurt I'm gonna show you in this part. Okay, now you can see is able to put the finger in there. It's a warm, and now you put it inside here. Put it inside. Okay. Now here you have the yogurt. You can put half of that in here. You don't need to put full spoon. It need to be very little like this. But I'm gonna use a. That's it. That's all you're gonna need. And mix it up like this. And let it sit for 4 or 5 hours without moving. And you need to cover up. Keep it in the summertime. Keep it in the outside. In winter time you need a different. Okay, let it sit it like this, and I will cover up with the rag, and I will cover up with the cloth, like this, covered up, and let it sit here for like 5 hours, 6 hours. Then I be back. How is this comes out? दोस्तों ये दही बनाना है तो पहले दूध को उबाल लेना, फिर थोड़ा इसमें वो जैसे मैंने वो डाला है जाग, थोड़ा सा दही डाल देना है और घुमा के जब कोसा हो जाए तो उसमें दही डालना है, गरम में नहीं डालना, जब जैसे कि आप उंगल थोड़ी लगा सको। तो जब थोड़ा कोसा हो जाएगा तो फिर उसमें थोड़ा सा आधा स्पून से भी कम दही डाल दो, तो घुमा के मिला के उसको ढक दो अच्छे तरीके से, तो 5-6 घंटे रहने दो तो दही जम जाएगा। ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ टाइम टू चेक अप द yogurt if is ready. Let's see if is ready now. Wait. Okay, let's see if it's ready. Now we can see it's 4 o'clock. Now it's like 10:30. It's like about 6 hours, 6.5 hours. So let me see if it's ready. I think it's beautiful. You see, it's not moving. It's yogurt now. You see, you can see it. It's nice and creamy yogurt. Can you see it? Okay, it's ready. Ready, my friend. Look, it's ready to eat. You can put sugar and you can put banana in there, make a yogurt shake. Not really mango shake, like a milkshake. This is a yogurt shake. You can put the banana, mangoes, and put in the mixie and mix it. And you can. It's very healthy. Okay, my friend. Thank you very much. So make it yogurt, fresh yogurt in home. I make it in this pot actually. Okay. Thank you very much for the watching. Thank you again. God bless you. This is a yogurt, my friend. How to make it, and now this is the time to, it's ready. This is a ready yogurt now. It's 6 hours already, so it's ready to eat now. So you can make a mango shake or a banana shake, put a yogurt in there. It's beautiful. It's ready to eat. You see, it's ready. ओके माय फ्रेंड, थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू। ये जो दही तैयार हो चुका है और इसका आप मैंगो शेक, बनाना शेक बना सकते हो और चीनी डाल के, शुगर डाल के या शक्कर डाल के आप खा सकते हो। ये जो बहुत बढ़िया है योगर्ट, ये मिट्टी के बर्तन में बनाना तो आपको बहुत टेस्टी बनेगा। तो इन्जॉय, गॉड ब्लेस यू। आप इसका आनंद मानें। ये जो बहुत हेल्थी होता है खाने के लिए। तो इसमें आप आम डालो और केला डालो और केला शेक और मैंगो शेक बनाओ दही के साथ। थैंक यू।